Hello everyone and welcome to the exciting unboxing of the CoroCAM 6HD. This video will give you a really good idea of what to expect when ordering a CoroCAM 6HD for the first time. Let's dig right in. I recommend using a craft knife to get past the boxing tape, but as always, watch your fingers, our warranty does not cover lost fingers. Included in your box, you will find an envelope with your serial number on it, which includes all the necessary documentation for your camera, including manufacturer's test certificate, the calibration certificate, the warranty certificate, the warranty registration letter, the service report form, the acceptance list, and the certificate of conformance. I recommend you keep these in a safe place for future reference. But let's put this aside for now and remove the foam inserts. This is really convenient. It contains all the necessary accessories to do your inspections, all in this one robust, protective carry case. To open the case, press the buttons on the latches and keep them depressed until you flip open the latches. So inside you will see that Uverco specifically designed the foam to accommodate your CoroCAM camera with all its accessories so that everything is kept in place while you're adventuring out there in the field. So to get this powerful baby up and running, let's sort out the batteries first. Included in your purchase, you will receive two NPF 770 batteries along with a dual battery charger and a car charger. It will take approximately 3 hours to charge both batteries simultaneously. Also in the box is a 12-volt DC power supply that can be used to charge the camera as an alternative method. The advantage of using this alternative method is that it can be used to charge a battery already inside the CoroCAM camera. Then next up, let's talk about the GPS feature. The CoroCAM has a built-in GPS and also a separate boost antenna, which plugs in really easy and comes in handy when you need to travel long distances and would like to obtain a GPS lock relatively quickly. Also included in this little packet is an Allen key that you can use to tighten and loosen the LCD hinge. You also get a USB flash drive with the manual on it. And here comes the real McCoy, the CoroCAM 6HD. The super powerful, lightweight, feature-packed, economical workhorse in sleek tech grey color. Let's first open the battery latch and insert the battery into the camera. Then we can easily open the LCD screen and slide the sun shield gently from the top. It will click into place if you correctly attach it. And speaking of sun shields, don't forget to cover up with sunblock when you're out there. Now I'm going to insert the micro SD card into the camera. And open the lens cap. And then switch on the camera. After 60 seconds, you will then be able to start recording. You can do your inspections with the neck strap. It comes in really handy when doing hours of inspection. It is not included in the basic accessory set, but is available for purchase as an optional extra. And now we're ready for inspections. So you've run around all day long doing inspections. We've made it really easy for you by giving you not one but two alternative methods of downloading the data from your SD card. Firstly, you can remove the card and insert it into your computer and transfer the data that way. Or you can use the USB cable and connect it directly to your computer. And there's more, because Uverco likes to have your back. You can alternatively connect the camera to an external monitor using the conveniently supplied HDMI and composite video cables. And that's the CoroCAM 6HD in a nutshell. Be a fault finder. Happy shooting!